So these are all the different types of Chrome plugins, guys. So the first one is Tag Assistant, Facebook Pixel Helper, Twitter Pixel Helper, and so on and so forth. These are all which we can easily use for different tracking and reporting purposes. So let's have a look at this. So the first one is going to be the Google Tag Assistant companion. So this is a Chrome extension which basically helps majorly the Google Tag Manager, which we are trying to learn over here in this course, is what you can access from this particular Chrome extension. So from here, this Tag Assistant really helps in managing multiple codes on the website. Okay, you can also see which codes are running over here, okay, and how you can debug as well. So all those things becomes easily done through Google platform. So this is one of the most extensively used tracking tool. The other one is going to be the Meta Pixel Helper. This is a tool which is used in case of meta ads. So if you're putting up planning to run meta ads and you want to track the code, the pixel which we have set up on the website for tracking conversions through meta ads, so then we can use this Meta Pixel Helper, which also does the same thing, wherein it tells us clearly whether the pixel has been placed properly on the page, on the website or not, or it is not loading. So we get the clear information with respect to meta ads tracking. The third one similarly can be used is Twitter Pixel Helper, which does the same job when we are running Twitter ads. Okay, and if you want to track conversions coming through Twitter ads, then this particular Chrome extension can be of great use. Similarly, we also have Microsoft Ads Chrome extension, which is a UET tag helper. This does the same thing, wherein when we are running Microsoft Ads and we want to track conversions coming from it, we can place the code, and then this particular Chrome extension can help us know whether the tag is working, firing properly or not. Is it tracking the data or not? That kind of information it will provide. So this is going to be from Microsoft Advertising. Now, apart from this, there's other Chrome extension, which is like a Tag Explorer. Now, Tag Explorer is basically this extension helps to see what all tags are there on the website. So like this, I can see what all different types of tags are there on my website. Okay, if I want to pause any particular tag, I can do it from here by removing the check button from here. Okay, so this way I can control and manage and see multiple tags which are there on the website, and I can work on them. So that's your Tag Explorer Chrome extension. Another one which we can use here is Analytics Debugger. Analytics Debugger extension is used when we have set up a Google Analytics code and we want to debug it, see if there are any errors with it. So which we can see in this specific particular Chrome extension, which is going to give us all that information, and then we can make changes to it. Maybe we can pause the tag, okay, or edit the tag. All those things will be possible from this particular Chrome extension, majorly focusing on debugging Google Analytics tag. Other than that, we also have a GTM copy paste Chrome extension. This is useful when we want to copy the GTM code from one particular account to another. If you want to do so, when you are, let's say you are doing it for multiple clients, you're setting up GTM for multiple clients, and you need to use the same code with different clients, then this particular Chrome extension can be really useful, where you can simply copy the tag from one particular account and then move it to the other account. So that's your GTM copy paste Chrome extension. And then the last one is going to be AdSwerve Chrome extension, which is used primarily to again set up the Google GTM code on any website. We can do it from this. We can also analyze the data layers which are created in the GTM account. Okay, all those things which you can see out here through this particular Chrome extension also.